scared, so I think its owners are abusing it. I don't know where it is. Where is the cat? I'm trying to find it because it was here, but now it's not. Oh, there it is. Hello. Hi, there you are. Hello. Okay. See you later. You'll be okay now. Yeah, she's much better now. She's looking at her house. Oh, what piece of shit would hurt you? I don't even want to. Oh, it's okay. And she was. She is scared. Oh, it's okay. If they wrong you.